Oh my goodness. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Lavinia and I post beauty videos regarding makeup and skincare 3 times a week, every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday at 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So if that is something you're interested in, I would love for you to join my channel by hitting the big red subscribe button. So I wanted to get through that intro super quick because I am like so excited for this video. Obviously I've already done my makeup, I've already like tried all these products out, but like I am the most excited I've ever been. I wasn't even supposed to film today, but this package came in the mail and I was like, I'm like, I have to try this right now, so we're filming today. Basically, if you don't know what I'm talking about by the title of this video, we are trying out the brand new NYX X Money Heist collection. Oh my goodness. I received this in PR, which I was like shook because NYX has been one of my favorite affordable makeup brands for so long, and Money Heist is probably hands down my favorite show. I have not watched the new seasons yet, so don't you dare spoil it for me in the comments, but definitely like my favorite show ever. We have the palettes right here, like look at these, iconic. We even have the gold bars, like, are you kidding me? Look how cute these are. And then we have some lip products too. So much to try today in this video. So I created this makeup look while testing out the products, and we're going to talk about everything in this collection and my thoughts, and kind of just sit down, and it will be like a chatty tryout of this new collection from NYX, the Money Heist La Casa De Papel collection. So if you want to see this review video, just keep on watching.
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave, I call you right back to check for monsters in my sheets.
Let's just dive right in. So of course, I want to start off with some eyeshadows. We have 2 palettes to play with here. The legendary Dali mask right here. Look how cool this palette is. Like, holy, they did such a good job with this. I'm definitely just like gonna display this on my vanity. Like, this is so sick. And then it opens up and you get the beautiful colors inside, and look at this beautiful palette. We have a ton of shades in here. In the bank, sandstone, Helsinki, the vault, a beautiful gold, yes, print money, mahogany desk, code word, money toss, royal mint, yes, love that they did like a beautiful green mint shade there. El Profesor with the little glasses imprint in there. Denver, okay, Denver's probably like my favorite character on the show. He makes me laugh so much. State Secrets, Heist, Rio, a nice purple, Berlin, like a gray, smoky gray, really nice. Diggin, Gold Flood, Uno Mas, okay. Press Leak. We have some beautiful like matte pinky shades here. I'm excited to play with those. The Red Wine, Classic, One Last Time, Tokyo, a beautiful pink shade. Red Jumpsuit, yes. Mask On, Revolt, Stacks on Stacks, Nairobi. Ooh, that's a really beautiful color. So I can't wait to dig into that. And then the second palette we have, I'm like so excited for. This is the El Profesor palette, and look at this. This has 9 shadows in it, and it's a little palette right here, and then when you open it up, this is what it looks like. These are like shades that I would wear on a daily basis. Like, I would literally wear these all the time, and I love that we have the little origami in there, like the imprint. So cute. And then it even says we are the resistance right here. El Profesor, so cute. Like, love this. I would use this all the time. Hopefully the formula is good. I just want to show you guys everything we have in the collection, and then we'll apply. So then we have the highlighters right here, and I love that they made these like gold bars. That is so cool. So we have the shade Gold Brick. This just opens up, and look how beautiful. Like, it's a legit gold bar, and then it says the only gold that matters, El Profesor. Again, so cute. That gold looks gorgeous. And then we have the shade Rose Gold too. I like that they did 2 shades, and this one looks stunning. Can't wait to try that on. And then they did release 2 lipsticks. I think these are called like their paper lipsticks. Let me look. So yeah, these are their paper lipsticks. These retail for $14. Gold bars are a little bit more up there. They're $25 each, but still not bad. The 8 pan eyeshadow is $28, and the 32 mask palette is $45. Honestly, for 32 shades for around $40 is like such a good price, so I'm really happy that they gave so many shades in this. So the lipsticks, they released 2 shades, Nairobi, which is a beautiful like nude, a little bit more mauve, and Tokyo, which is a bit more coral, so can't wait to try these as well. The other thing that they released in the collection I did not get sent, but it's their Epic ink liners. I saw these on their Instagram and they did look really nice, so if I find them in store I'll definitely pick them up. So I'm gonna dip into the top 2 shades right here with a fluffy brush, and there is a bit of kickback. Okay, I don't mind kickback though, I just care about how they apply on the eyes, so I'm gonna just set my lids slightly with these and kind of buff them out. I always like to do this because I find it kind of preps the rest of the eyeshadow. I'm gonna go in with Code Word, and I'm gonna dip this into the crease a little bit just to give a bit of shape. Since this palette doesn't have a mirror, I'm gonna take like a little mirror and I'm gonna hold it inside while I hold the palette. There's a little makeup hack for you. I'm gonna take the shade Tokyo, the pink color, and I'm gonna start buffing this out like kind of lightly in my crease. I don't want to do, oh, you know what, maybe we're just going for a pink look today. I was like, I don't want to do too much, and then I just did. So these are blending out nice though. A little kickback in the pan, but honestly I don't mind that at all. I just care if like there's fallout on the eyes, because I know you can do like your eye makeup first before your face makeup, but I just don't like to do that. I like to have my face makeup done usually. Then I'm gonna take the shade Red Jumpsuit, and I'm gonna start patting this in the crease and like kind of in the outer corner and buffing up. Like, I'm surprised there is no true red in the palette. Like the closest would be Red Jumpsuit, but even that, like, it's kind of pink, so it's interesting. I definitely was expecting more red in this collection, and a red lipstick that would have been iconic. And even the Professor palette doesn't really have a red, but we're gonna use some of these burgundy shades. So I'm gonna use the shade Salva. So nice, it's like a deep maroon, and I'm just gonna kind of pat this in the outer corner like that. That's pigmented. This one doesn't seem to have as much kickback, but dang, that is pigmented. And I'm even gonna take it a bit in the crease, but like kind of hold the brush so it's more defined and not as like blown out, if that makes sense. I'm gonna take these shades Salva and Mastermind, like this deep brown, and kind of combine them. And I'm gonna kind of use this to kind of wing out my eye because I don't want to do a liner today. And I'm gonna take the shade Revolt with some of Rock Bottom right here. They're like a bit more deep charcoal shades. And I'm gonna add a bit of this to that outer corner as well, like to my wing. I am getting a bit of fallout right here, but I'm gonna kind of not touch it and hopefully it doesn't get too messy. I'm gonna dip into the El Profesor palette for the lower lash line. So I'm gonna go into the shade Cider. Oh, love that they did a shade named Cider. So cute. I'm saying that about all the shades, but I just love the names. And I'm gonna kind of buff this out. Then I'm gonna take the shade Sergio. Love that too. I love that this palette's like all about the Professor, you know, like we have the heist, we have the whole mask, but this is just a moment for the Professor and his brilliance. Then I'm gonna take some Ciao Ciao Ciao. I hope I did that justice, probably not, but that's okay. It's this beautiful pink, and I'm gonna kind of buff that as well. Then I'm gonna take whatever's left on this angled brush that I did my wing with and kind of connect that wing to the lower lash line. Give me like a little bit of that smoky moment. I'm having fun with these eyeshadows. Of course, I could create a million more looks with this, which I definitely am going to, but I want to try one of the gold shades. So I'm going to cut my crease real quick just because I like to usually put a shimmer over like a clean base. So I'm gonna just take a little bit of concealer. This is like typical type eye look for me, but I'm gonna take a little brush and buff out that concealer. I'm not doing like a full cut crease moment, but I like a little bit of that clean slate. Gold Flood is so pretty. Like, look at this. Oh my gosh, I think I have to use that. Yeah, we're doing it. Okay, just picking it up. Look how pretty. Okay, NYX, I see you with these formulas. So I'm gonna press that kind of on my lid. Oh my goodness, is that beautiful? I love that. Then I'm gonna take the shade State Secrets, which is a bit of a lighter, more champagne gold, and I'm gonna use this more like to diffuse it on the inner corner, and I'm still using my finger. Okay, I'm gonna take a bit of State Secrets, tap off my brush, and highlight the inner corner with this one. I will say these glitters, from what I can tell, they are like kind of loose a little bit. Like, they're not a loose glitter, but they have the tendency to kind of just fluff everywhere. Like, you can see there's kind of glitter all over. It doesn't really lay flat where you put it, but that's why I'm kind of like using this pressing motion. They're definitely pigmented. I'm going to take the shade Perfect Plan, and I'm going to use this to highlight my brow bone a little bit. Now, this shade is a matte with glitter throughout it, and it's just a nice creamy color. Excuse how bad my brows look right now. Okay, so I'm gonna go pop on mascara and some lashes real quick, and I'll be right back. All right, so I am back, and like, man, do lashes just like finish off a look. I want to try out these gold bars. I want to swatch both of these, but I really don't think that I can wear this on my face. Maybe we'll just go for it, you know? I do want to swatch this. Ooh, very like just gold, straight up gold. Look at that. And then we have rose gold. Let's swatch this too. Okay, wow, these are like metallic. They're very glittery though, so if you don't like a glittery highlight, you're not gonna like these because they're very glittery, as you can see. Let's go in with the rose gold first. Use this side of the brush for this one. Okay. Oh. So very glittery, as I said. Very pretty, but very glittery. So if you're not into glittery highlights and you like just more of that glow, these will not be for you. These are just like glitter, but for like glam makeup or super fun makeup, I can be down for these. There's like a time and a place, you know? And then let's do the gold bar. So I'm gonna flip my brush on the other side. Pick this up. I feel like I definitely took too much. Okay. Oh, this is gold. This is like straight up, I'm serving you money heist today. Because it is just more glitter, like the pigment doesn't make it look too dark on my skin. Like, definitely it's like, okay, this is a little bit more out there, not like a natural highlight, but if you're into that, and them mixed, are you kidding me? Look at that. I'm definitely gonna mix these. I love how that's looking. These are definitely really pretty. They're not gonna be for everyone. I do think, you know, some people are gonna like these, some people are not, but I definitely think those of you who like more full glam are going to have some fun with these for sure. Time for the lippies. I do want to open both to swatch. Wait, is this red? Did you not hear me like 5 minutes ago when I was like, a red would have been so perfect in this collection? Yeah, Rebel Red. I thought it was a coral through the packaging. So it's a paper lipstick. That's really cool, very eco-friendly. and it is a red lipstick. Yes, I'm so happy they did a red. So this is Tokyo. Of course, she got the red, and let's do a little swatch. Ooh, that is pigmented. Wait, what does this say? Do you know what I find sexy? Intelligence. Oh my gosh, that's too good. Love that. Now let's open up Nairobi. So hers is more of a nude, like a mauve nude. This shade is definitely right up my alley. So I'm gonna swatch. They feel very like creamy soft. Ooh, kind of mauve. That's really pretty. I am a little worried about these caps, like, because they are like cardboard. What is this one in the shade? This one is in the shade Teddy Bear. Oh, you're gonna make me cry. My eyes are already watering. It says, let the materachi begin. And I'm gonna kind of use this as an outline. What a beautiful shade. I'm gonna use this lots, I already know. And then we have Tokyo, so I'm gonna kind of use this in the center. That is so pretty. These have like a matte satin touch to them, so they're very nice on the lips. I'm gonna take a bit more of Nairobi. I'm gonna deepen out the edges a bit more. I actually love this lip combo. It's kind of a little more edgy, a nice gradient. So cute. Alright guys, so that is the finished makeup look using all of the new products from NYX that they did in collaboration with Money Heist, and I am obsessed. I cannot wait to continue playing with these products. This palette right here, like, I mean, both these palettes are gonna sit right on my vanity because they're iconic. The gold bars, honestly, too, like, I'm just so obsessed with this show, so obsessed with NYX, so these are perfect. They did such a good job on this collection. Love the lip products, too. I love this. This is amazing. I had so much fun trying out all this makeup with you guys, and if you want to see more on this collection, like either more tutorials and everything like that, I can do some on my TikTok or even on here, so let me know down below in the comments. But this was such a fun video to film. I'm still like so excited about this collection, and hopefully if you guys are interested in it, this video helped a little bit. But honestly, I would kind of recommend everything in here, especially if you love glam makeup. If you're more of a natural girl but you still love Money Heist and want to support this collection, I would probably go for the Profesor palette and then maybe the lipsticks. The highlighters are definitely more of that glam, like fun makeup product. But yeah, that's kind of my thoughts. I really enjoyed sitting down and doing my makeup with you guys today, and I hope you enjoyed as well. If you did enjoy though, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and also make sure to turn on your post notifications so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And if you want to see more of my content, I am a host on the Acne channel here on YouTube, so go check that out. I'm on there about once a week, so there's lots of content on there regarding acne, skincare, and everything you should know. Also, for more daily content, you should go check out my Instagram and TikTok at Lavinia Rosanna. I'm very active on my TikTok, so definitely go follow. But anyways, I hope you're having a fantastic day or night whenever you're watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave, I call you right back to check for monsters in my sheets.